Hey, publisher journey video of the day. How you doing? Today worked on a couple books. My latest book that I'm going to publish next is HowExpert Guide to Cooking. Okay, learn how to cook for those of you who are interested in cooking all kinds of foods. I included foods and dishes from all continents. I'm talking about North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, and you name it. So I wanted to make it a comprehensive guide, a go-to guide about cooking. So I had another book about cooking, like Moroccan food back in the days, but I want to make sure I have a go-to guide that covers all aspects of cooking. So I decided to create a book on this because one of my goals is I want to cover at least one book for all the core categories of life. Okay, cooking, health and fitness, money and finance, education, you name it. So I pretty much have all of those. And the next book I'm working on is actually two more books I'm working on after that. The content is pretty much finished. One is about pets. Okay, HowExpert Guide to Pets. So you're gonna learn if you're interested in getting a pet and you're not sure what type of pet to get, this book it will just teach you basically what type of pet to choose and go from there. And it'll show you what type of pet to get, whether it's a dog, cat, reptile, fish, birds, whatever. All aspects of pets, okay? Not animals. I'll do a book about animals separately, but this is just a book about pets, okay? Things you can keep as a pet, okay? The next book after that, I just finished the content and the formatting. The basic formatting is a book about, after pets, I'm working on travel and adventure. I was going to call it HowExpert Guide to Travel, but I decided, you know what, let's just do HowExpert Guide to Travel and Adventure. Okay, so that's another core category actually, travel and adventure. So I say, you know what, let's do a book on that too. Okay, so I got 3 books. One is about cooking. The next one, it could be either pets or travel and adventure. Okay, in terms of publishing, those are, I'm not sure which one I'm going to publish next, but those are the 3 next books I have. After I cover all the core categories, then I want to go into the unique niche topics, which is kind of like my favorite, because I like to go into unique niches where there's no competition and it's easier to dominate the niche like a dictator, basically. Dominate the niche because there's no one else doing it, so those are the type of niches I like to go into. So I already have my niche topics ready. And one little side note, I just discovered that AI, ChatGPT, at least for the pay version, I'm not sure about the free version, I haven't tested it yet, but the pay version, now you can generate images, AI images, using ChatGPT. You don't have to use Mid-Journey. I mean, you could if you want, but ChatGPT can generate images. I think they did it before, back in the days, but I just didn't use it back in the days. But I just found out. You just put in the prompt, just tell them, give me a person cooking, spaghetti or something. A chef cooking spaghetti, it will generate images like in 5 seconds. So ChatGPT can be used as AI for text or images. Okay, so that's a pretty cool thing I discovered recently. And so any book content, any books and topics that require images to learn, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Simple. I don't have to go back and forth between this and Mid-Journey and back and forth. Just use ChatGPT and simple. Okay, so that's a quick update behind the scenes. And if there's any books I did in the past that require images, that need images, I'll add images. And I'll find it from ChatGPT, basically. So that's pretty much it. I mean, in terms of little updates behind the scenes. I got a lot of books to publish. I got about 3 to 5. I haven't mentioned a couple other book topics that I've already generated in terms of content, but I need to add images, and that ChatGPT solved the problem. Because sometimes when I search on deposit photos and Shutterstock, there's not enough options. I cannot find the images. So deposit photos sometimes doesn't have the images I'm looking for, right? So any other book topics that require images to learn, I'm gonna go use ChatGPT. Stay tuned for my future books, okay? Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'm using a new phone now, so the camera is probably better, I think. Just got a new one, and that's it for right now. Thank you. Talk soon. All right, take care. Bye.